add or edit patient personal details or contact details. On clicking View Details, every patient has their own profile page. The details of the patient are visible on the left-hand corner of the screen. On the left-hand corner, you will find the medical history of the patient flashing on the screen, and below that is the billing cycle of the patient. Below the billing cycle are two options, where you can either print the report or convert the same into PDF. You may fill the required details and save the information. You also have the customized symbol on the right side that helps you add additional information such as medical history, allergies, dental history, insurance history, and consent. Under each tab, you can fill in the required details, wherein you can fill yes, no, or I don't know. The Examination tab helps you add chief complaint, diagnosis type, and notes for your quick reference. You can select doctor from the list and can change the date. Future date is not allowed. If chief complaint is not in a list, user can add manually by clicking on the red symbol which is displayed next to chief complaint search box. If diagnosis type is not in a list, user can add manually by clicking on that red symbol which is displayed next to diagnosis type search box. You can add multiple examinations and can also edit or delete the same. The Treatment tab helps you note the treatment type. Add tooth, cost discount, total cost, as well as notes for your reference. You can select doctor from the list and can change the date. Future date is not allowed. If the treatment type is not in the list, user can add manually by clicking on the link displayed below the treatment type search box. To add more than one treatment, click on Treatment Type search box. Eventually displays new row. When bill is not generated, it will show with the status as not billed in Treatment tab as shown above. When bill is generated, none of the status will display. On saving, you can either save and generate bill later or save and generate bill at the same time. You can also choose the status of the treatment, which can either be planned, in progress, completed or discontinued. On the right-hand corner icon, you can edit the treatment, add treatment notes, delete the treatment or split the payment with another doctor. The prescription details help you add the necessary prescription, its dosage, the frequency, duration and advice. The plus icon helps you add more than one prescription, and you can also choose to either email or SMS your patients the same. You can select doctor from the list and can change the date. Future date is not allowed. If medicine is not present in the list, user can type the medicine manually in the search box and click on Save, which will save the details. On saving, you can view multiple prescriptions. And on the edit icon, you can edit, delete, print, email or SMS the prescription. The file selection helps you store scanned copies of patient's file records in subcategory. Like patient reports, scanned images or testimonials. You can choose to upload the file and save in the required subcategory. You can select the category, add a description and save the file. The final tab of billing is the bills generated upon treatment. It contains 3 subcategories, namely bills, payments and patient ledger. The bill gives you details and status of whether the bill is paid or not. On selecting the bill, you can either print it or Generate Bill tab show you the list of unpaid bills which cannot be edited. Generate Bill will show the count, for example, Generate Bill 2. Checkbox option is provided to select the bill you wish to generate. The action icon allows you to cancel bill, print it, export to PDF or email the bill to the patient. You can change the date while generating the bills. Future date is not allowed. The payment is the number of payments received from the patient. To add a new payment, you can click on the tab, that is, Add New Payment and fill in the required details and save it. It will show the total payable amount. Also, you can edit the amount and can select the mode of payment from the list. For advance payment, you can enter the amount which you wish as an advance in Pay Now field. While clicking on Save, it will show the advance amount on the page. In Payment tab, it shows the Payment View option. Clicking on List, it shows 2 options, Payment and Refund. Selecting Payment will show the Add New Payment tab. Selecting Refund displays refund amount can be done from advance payment or against bill. If bill is generated, only then it will allow to add refund, otherwise it will not allow to add a refund. If advance payment is available, only then it will allow to add refund, otherwise not. The status description shows active when payment is done. And will show cancelled status when receipt is cancelled. The action icon allows to cancel receipt, print, export to PDF or to email the same to the patient. The patient ledger shows all the bills and receipt of the payment. You can select the date and view passbook entry and the total opening balance on the right-hand side. The drop-down on the right gives you multiple options to add examination, add treatment, add prescription, generate a bill and add payment, refund against advance or refund against an invoice. Appointments. The appointment page helps choose from the drop-down if you wish to view or view appointments, but not just yours, but multiple doctors in your group. Choosing a group view shows you each doctor's schedule appointment against their names. You can choose the day and view as per the day, week, month or agenda. You can add new appointments on clicking this tab and fill in the details of existing or new patients. You can check the notification for both the doctor and the patient. This notification helps to send message of appointment to doctor and patient. On saving the details of the patient, it will flash on the right side of the screen. To delete the appointment, click the red icon or you can edit the appointment and click Cancel Appointment. Cancel SMS is also sent to doctor and patient. The process follows as the patient checks in. It goes to waiting area and then into engage and completed area. The action icon allows you to add treatment, prescription, bill and payment of a patient directly by clicking on this option from the appointment page itself. You can add future appointment and past appointment too. For future appointment, SMS is sent to doctor and patient. For past appointment, SMS is not sent. In this section, you can view the emails and SMS sent to the patient. You can select the data, date-wise and click on View Email or search the email in the search bar. You can also compose a new email and view the sent email to the patient. You can even view the SMS history date-wise and can compose new message. You can send the event messages by selecting SMS type. In this tab, you can view payments, select the date and view receipt or export to Excel. You can search by receipt number and patient name in the search bar. You can click on Action to print receipt, export to PDF and email receipt. In the bill, you can view bill date-wise, export to Excel or search by bill number and patient name in search bar. You can click on Action to print bill, export to PDF and email bill. Passbook gives the details of all the bills and receipt and the grand total. Petty cash helps you with amount you can enter by selecting the type of voucher. And adding a new voucher. By filling the details, you can then save the voucher. After saving it, we'll show the closing and opening balance date-wise. Receipt and payment. You can also delete, print, convert to PDF or Excel the selected voucher. Adding bank deposits help you maintain your deposit funds. You can select the date to view the deposit or search in the search bar by bank name and account number. You can add and delete the bank deposits made by you. Also, print and convert Excel for the same. Reports. In this session, you can view collection report in which you can view daily, monthly and yearly report of collection. You can select the date and view the category like cash, check, etc. and click View Report. You can also view the chart for the same. Can be converted to PDF or exported to Excel as well. You can also view doctor-wise report, where you can select the doctor, choose treatment-wise, billing-wise or payment-wise and view report. Once again, the report can be converted to PDF or exported to Excel as well. Outstanding report show the data till date as per the categories pending. In progress, completed or discontinued report. You can select and then click View Report. Once again, the report can be converted to PDF or exported to Excel as well. Patient analysis helps with the details of patient personal details and treatment collection. You can view date-wise report as well with the total collection at the bottom. You can choose to view new patients. In revenue analysis, it shows date-wise where you can view the bills and payments and the total revenue that has come into the business. Waiting analysis report shows all the patients who are there in a waiting area in appointment. DENTEE also provide email and SMS analyst report where you can view the email message sent to the respective patients. Administrator helps you manage clinics where you can fill in details of your clinics. You can upload clinic logo and header image also. DENTEE helps manage users to a single account. You can add multiple users by clicking Add Users. And selecting the role they play and the access level granted to each role. On adding new user, an SMS is sent to a user about their login credentials. Manage doctors, where multiple doctors can be a part of the same panel, where you must add details and grant access to the necessary information required by them. Doctor can be deleted, but primary admin doctor cannot be deleted. When doctor is added, an SMS is sent to a doctor about their login credentials. Manage masters, where you can select a certain category, say for example, payment, and add electricity and telephone expense. You can also add a new record or delete an existing one. Likewise, you can select any category from the list and can add data only one at a time. Manage treatment is where edit existing medicines or add new ones. Manage bank accounts helps in accessing multiple bank records. Manage communication attributes helps in customize SMS notification as per your choice. Import and export data helps you export data or import data in Excel sheet from the system. Inventory helps you keep a check on existing and purchase of new inventory. Item name helps you add new items by filling details like item group, item name, description, item quality details, etc. Item group helps you select the group. Item supplier keeps the details of all your supplier. Purchase order helps add a new PO. Item customer adds a new item customer. Sales order helps add a new SO. You can also make a stock entry or check your stocks. In the category of stock entry, you can search by a reference number and check the stock in and out. You can add stock in and stock out manually. You can view stock in the stock column and view stock date-wise or search in the search bar. You can change the date for print, PDF or Excel. Also, you can check in to show only the minimum reorder stock.